Hi guys, this is Ju Travel and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm doing another reaction. This time I'm going to react the official music video of BINI with their new song entitled Cherry on Top. So they just dropped this music video few hours ago, and look at guys, their views, it's already 1.8 million. So nagmanifest na talaga guys na sikat na ngayon ang BINI, not like before na ilang months pa saka sila maka-reach ng 1 million. But look at this one, ilang hours lang nakalipas nang ilabas nila yung music video, ngayon million views na. So before I proceed to my reaction, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like buttons, click the notification bell in case I have a new video uploaded so that you'll be notified. So without any delay, let's proceed to this reaction. So guys, I'm really excited for this one. Iba kasi guys yung yung nasubaybayan mo yung BINI from the very beginning until now. So nasubaybayan ko kasi yun sila, so kaya excited ako. So i-check natin yung music video nila. Ooh! Wow! Ganda ng quality ng video. Stacy, ang ganda. Parang nasa Amerika sila nag-shoot guys, ha? Wow! Ang ganda ng nila, music video, ang quality ng video. Grabe. Pang international na talaga. Wow, Aya. Ang ganda. Mika. Grabe, ang gaganda na nila. Joanna. Oh, nasa ibabaw sila ng cake. Ang gaganda na nila. Ganda ng make-up nila. Outfit. Bagay na bagay sa kanila. Wow. Gwen. Grabe si Gwen, oh. Model na model talagang dating. Sheena, sexy. Maloy. Wow, Mika. Ang gaganda nila. Wow. Tingnan mo yung lakad nila guys. Sexy dating. Guys, ang ganda ng music video nila. Gusto ko yung quality, then yung nila, settings, and location. Ang ganda ng mga bahay, para bang nasa Amerika yung shoot nila. May napansin na ako guys, parang yung sa end sa salamin yun, di ba, na may yun, parang letter na sinesend. Parang ang view nito is parang yung sa yung nasa ba yun, mailbox. Parang yung background ng mailbox, ito yung parang continuation siya sa salamin. Ang ganda nila guys, from the makeup, yung mga hair color nila, yung outfit nila, ilang beses kaya sila nagpalit ng outfit nila, bagay na bagay talaga sa kanila. So wow, I'm so proud of BINI, especially to the Blooms pa sa support nila, kasi nga di ba, as I mentioned a while ago, na nasubaybayan ko talaga yung BINI from the audition, yung mga struggles nila, yung nakatira lang sila sa bahay, plus pandemic, plus shutdown ng ABS-CBN. So parang wow guys, ito na yun ang nila, yung outcome, fruit of labor nila. So wow, nakaka-proud lang talaga, yung parang ito na talaga, kasi nga imagine few hours lang na release nila tong music video, ang views nila millions, 1.8 as of this time. Wow, parang ito ata yung pinaka nila, yung on the spot ba, na pag-release nila ng music video, umabot dahil ilang hours nang umaabot na kaagad sila ng millions. So wow, BINI, congratulations. So ang ganda lang ng nila, ganda ng video, yung kanta din. Wow, another hit na naman to sa BINI. Joanna. Catchy na catchy yung kanta nila. Kulit. Woo! Galing din nila sumayaw kasi. Galing din lang mag-project sa camera sa ibang-iba na talaga yun sila nung simula. Lalo sila nagbo-bloom. Aya. Oh, social na social, kumakain ng banana Q. Galing nila ah. Wow. May sign language pa rin sila katulad ng karera. Wow, ang ganda. Nasa ibabaw sila ng cake. Ganda, no? Quality ng video. Ganda. Dance move. Projection. Wow. Sexiness. Grabe talagang BINI na ngayon ah. Ganda ng music video nila. Well budgeted talaga na ngayon ah. Nakaka-enjoy nila panoorin. Ang ganda ng quality ng video. Parang kayang-kaya na ilaban sa international. So, there you go guys, my reaction to the official music video of BINI with their new song entitled Cherry on Top. So, I hope you like and enjoy this video. If you have any suggestion or any recommendation for me to react, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until next time, bye for now.